Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In today's video, I will show you how to sort your gallery photos easily. This method helps you organize albums and photos properly. The steps are simple and quick to follow. Now let us get started. First, open the Gallery app on your phone. Once the gallery opens, you will see all your photos and albums. Now look at the top right corner. Tap on the three dots menu. From the list of options, tap on Sort and View. Now tap on Sort. You will see different sorting options. You can sort albums by name. You can sort by date created. You can also sort by last updated. Select the option you prefer. Your albums will instantly rearrange based on your selection. If you want to customize album covers, tap on Customize. Choose any photo you want as the album cover. Your album cover will be updated immediately. You can also sort photos inside a specific album. Just open the album. Tap on the three dots again. Tap on Sort. Choose how you want the photos to be arranged. This is how you can easily sort and organize your gallery photos. It works perfectly on Xiaomi and Poco phones using the default Gallery app. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.